Aloha. This is a brief guide on how to log into the UH High Performance Compute Cluster via SSH. By this point, you should already have enabled multi-factor authentication for your UH system account and requested an account on the cluster. If you haven't, please see the links in the description below. Today, I will show you how to connect to the cluster's login node, uhhpc.its.hawaii.edu, to get access to the compute nodes. First, open your preferred SSH client. Second, connect to the hostname uhhpc.its.hawaii.edu using your UH system credentials. I'm using the Linux SSH command, ssh username at uhhpc.its.hawaii.edu to connect. If this is your first time connecting, you will be asked to accept the authenticity of the host. Enter yes to continue. If successful, you will be prompted for your password. Once you enter your UH system password, this menu should appear for your multi-factor authentication. You'll be prompted to enter a number corresponding to the method and device you wish to use. If you have a physical YubiKey, you may enter the code instead of selecting a choice. Here, I choose the first option, and after accepting the dual push on my phone, I'm logged into the login node. It shows here, above the prompt, my file system quotas and use space, and above that, under hostname, it shows that I'm logged into one of our two login nodes, login 001. Now, I can move around my home directory and scratch space using basic Linux commands. By default, all users start with an examples directory that contains example SBatch scripts to use as templates and NFS FS02 symlink or symbolic link to the scratch storage space. I also have access to the compute nodes to submit a job with the SBatch command or request an interactive session with the srun command. When I get an interactive session with the srun, you can also see that the login 001 on the prompt changes to node 0002, letting me know which compute node I'm currently running my interactive session on. Now, if you need to transfer data to or from the cluster, you would connect to one of the two data transfer nodes, hpc-dtn1.its.hawaii.edu or hpc-dtn2.its.hawaii.edu with any number of transfer applications such as SFTP, SCP, or Globus. Our Globus endpoint name is UH HPC, and there is a link in the description below to their how-to page. If you want to know more about running programs in the cluster, please see the next video on modules. Mahalo.